Mga brad, kumusta? Napaayos tayo ng ipin ngayon. May schedule tayo sa dentista. Kasi nasira yung ipin ko. Nangalahati. Ito yung resulta ng crispy lechon sa Pilipinas. Papaayos natin.
It's just so chaotic. It's just like, I don't understand how people haven't gotten into more cars.
Mananating to, Brad.
When I've been in like a car, like in a Grab, it's just constant like go break, go break, go break, and then they're like getting like this close to each other, and it's like go break, and then he'll like come around and get drive break. I'm just like, slow down, like how, like I want to get there, but I don't want to get there dead, you know. Alright, well, when is he coming back? Because this is not good. Oh, I saw the saddest thing on the way walking in. So, I mean, those of you who have seen my videos, I love animals. I love them. You know, I even bought some cat treats and dog treats because I want to feed it to some of the strays. I saw a little kitten that was like, its front paw was like, it looked broken and it was like limping. And my heart just sank. I was just thinking to myself, oh my gosh, can I please just pick that thing up and just cuddle it and give it kisses? I mean, I wouldn't give it kisses because, you know, people say that the animals usually aren't vaccinated and they just kind of roam around. But I felt really bad. It's about freaking time.
Ano po, dito po yung pagkain pa rin.
Oh yeah.
What did you talk about?
Military, talked about the traffic, talked about animals.
Did you say anything inappropriate?
No. I don't think so.
Guys, did he say anything inappropriate? Oh, hey, Logan. This is a sacred moment. There's a time.
Ay, Kuya Kirk.
Today is your day.
Saka yung kapatid niya.
So here's your fries, here's your ipin, here's the cheesy gummy burger, here's my hamburger. And peach mango pie for dessert.
That's a good fry.
Okay, try your hamburger first. Yep, basic hamburger.
I'll just make sure there's no tomatoes.
No frills, no nothing.
I mean, it's okay. Like,
250 years of neighborly love. Josh.
Powered by multiplex bonding technology. Keratin by Schwarzkopf, only at Walmart.
Charles Tirrett, made for summer. Casual shirts for laid-back weekends. Breezy linen shirts built for the heat. The smart shirts that mean business. And relaxed polos for a little exploration. Dress well. Charles Tirrett.
When the world gave them setbacks, science gave them bounce backs. And when your vet delivered life-altering news, science delivered life-changing nutrition. Bill's Prescription Diet. Science.
I could see eating this like if I was in a rush and I needed to like.
That's exactly what it's for. It's a no frills, low cost hamburger for when you just want something yummy and affordable.
It definitely tastes affordable.
This whole meal was $17. How much do you think all this would cost if we went to America, McDonald's in America?
30, 40 bucks.
Probably. I got the special hamburger. Now, I will caveat, 24 years ago when I was a missionary here, these were like double the size. Oh, shoot. It's the Jollibee. Jollibee, ako ba yung biggest fan niyo po? Pwede ba picture? So, sige, mag-selfie tayo. Ay, totoo ba yan? Akala ko lang sa dito yung Jollibee, ha? Tayo lang. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung kapatid ko, kakarating lang niya sa Pilipinas. Jollibee, meron po ba kayong shoutout? Ayan! Ang galing po so much, Jollibee. Pababa kayo? Sige. Mag-ingat sila sa inyo, ha? Galing. Thank you, Jollibee.
I love that.
Jollibee just made a kid cry.
Jollibee went up to the little girl and was like that, and she was like, there you go.
So, Jollibee is very special.
Oh.
Do you remember when Mom and Dad? Kawawa naman. Do you remember when Mom and Dad would take us for our birthday meals to McDonald's?
Yeah.
So they have a similar thing in the Philippines where a lot of kids grew up with Jollibee as like a birthday destination. You come here after your graduation. So Jollibee is very ingrained in Filipino culture. So that's why,
So he's kind of like Ronald McDonald.
yeah, but cooler.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, you see how he made like sultry faces and
He was like,
yeah. He's very in Tagalog it's called makulit. Jollibee is very makulit. He's very like naughty, kind of racy. That's rice for your chicken.
oh,
So you can try the chicken by itself, but the chicken goes really, really well with this gravy. They're really well known for their, it's like kind of like KFC gravy. Yeah. Logan's very well adjusted now to how to eat Filipino food. Look at this, he's cutting it up, he's spreading out the rice perfectly. You can pop the top on your, now it's a dipping sauce, so you don't want to just dunk it. I mean, you can, but it's just a lot easier if you just try it. Like, you can just use your hands.
oh.
We got napkins here.
That's good. I like that.
You like the chicken?
Yeah.
They won an award in America for the best fried chicken in America, which is kind of ironic because it's not an American company. So far he likes the chicken. He wasn't a big fan of the hamburger.
The hamburger was okay. Like,
Yeah, it's a cheap, affordable hamburger for if you're on the go.
yeah, which is I would recommend, but like, if I was dining in, I wouldn't.
And their French fries are pretty good too. Yeah, I love it with the gravy. It's so good. Just dunk it. What did you tell me about your military service?
That I did 2 combat deployments. I was infantry. When I came home from my first deployment, the unit that replaced us.
Ha? Hindi ako yan. Kahaway ko yan. Hindi, joke. Ako yan. So, ako yan. May shoutout ba kayo para sa vlog? Anong shoutout? Simple lang yung shoutout. Ayan. Galing. Kamusta ba yung Jollibee nyo?
Sa father namin,
Nasaan siya?
Siman.
Siman siya. Mag-ingat ka dyan ha. Medyo
nakakasuka yung dagat, di ba? Sige, thank you po. Ingat.
Did you tell them about any of your funny stories?
No.
Yeah. Logan has a lot of funny stories about the Marine Corps. Here, before they get cold.
Well, a lot of them are like long stories.
Yeah, you can tell if you guys want to hear about Logan's long, funny stories in the Marine Corps, which may or may not be exaggerated. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel, Unsupervised Logan. Here, before it goes down, try the peach mango pie. Okay.
Cute. You're welcome. Akin ba ito? Bakit? Meron kayong maraming ganito? Guys, may special gift. Thank you, ah. We got some new charcoal cream. Thank you, Paul. Guys, we got some Colgate. We'll use this for afterwards. We'll put this right here.
So also, their peach mango pies, they were a lot bigger back in the day. It's really good with ice cream too if you want to double up. Even though the peach mango pies have gotten smaller, they're still super, super delicious. You get all of this delicious feeling in there. I like these way more than McDonald's apple pies.
Not the crunchy outside. It's too sweet for me. Ah! That was a bit hot.
It's like going to dinner with your 8-year-old. This is too sweet for you, but that's not. That's ice cream, bro. It's like pure frozen sugar. All you need. Thank you. Ingat. Bye, guys. That's so cute, guys. Go by kuya car. Okay, so you have the French fries, the hamburger, the chicken, the peach mango pie, and ice cream. What's the favorite so far?
The chicken mixed with gravy and rice is definitely really good.
That's really good, right?
Yeah. Look, the mango pie thing, it was good, except it would be better if it didn't have those little mango things in the middle.
So the peach mango pie would be better if it just didn't have mango.
Like maybe if it was just a mango sauce.
Yeah, just the mango, so not actual mango.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, when I told you Logan was coming on the vlog, I warned you that he's notorious for saying things like, "This is good, but," and then asking the preparer of the food if they can change it next time for his palate.
Yeah.
Here. Oh, basang-basa yung likod eh. Sige. She wants a picture, Logan.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Logan was not prepared for that picture. Bye-bye.
Oh, I have food in my mouth.
But do you notice how you eat like a hunched over elf? Because you literally just eat like this over your plate.
It's because I'm scared if I eat like
Civilized?
this, then I'm gonna spill something on my shirt.
No, this is how a normal person eats. You just get this and you literally bend over. You don't even like, get into your food like that.
It's so nothing spills.
Yes. Are you sure that's why? Okay. You can also add some of this to your Coke. To make a Coke float. That's really good. We're just having a rough time. He's sweating. His nose is runny. There's more napkins over there too.
Built for Monday, born for Saturday. How it should be. The Hyundai Santa
Kakatawa
Fe.
yung
Now,
magkapatid.
get up to 3,100 customer cash on the Hyundai Santa Fe or Santa Fe Hybrid. Visit your local Hyundai dealer today.
For your cleanest, freshest morning ever, try new Crest Pro Health mouthwash.
Let's see that again. He opens the Gemini app. He is absolutely struggling to put this one away.
The Evergreens family vacation started with Expedia. Dad knew his crew needed peace and quiet, so he booked a vacation home big enough for everyone. Great, right? Nice job, Dad. Expedia, the one place you go.
Why is your nose all runny?
Because it's hot and I'm eating.
Alright, so overall, Logan, what do you think about the Jollibee meal? Your first experience with Jollibee? You've never been to Jollibee before.
Never been to Jollibee.
This is the first time.
I like it. I like it. I would give it. So, originally, I was gonna give it like maybe 7, 8 out of 10. But then when I saw Jollibee come out, that's a 10 out of 10.
When you saw who come out?
Jollibee.
When you saw Jollibee come out. At first I thought you said Jabba-E.
Jollibee.
It's Jollibee.
Jollibee.
It's a B that's Jolly. That's the name of the company, Jollibee. But the B, surprisingly, Logan, the B is not a B. The B represents the Filipino people. Industrious, hardworking, always smiling. But what does a bee do if you piss it off? It stings you. So that's the Filipino people. They're hardworking, they're kind, they're loving, they're entertaining. But if you piss one off,
It's
it's a Manny Pacquiao-sized sting.
It's exactly what Mike Tyson said. Flow like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Means be grateful like a butterfly. They're smiling, they're pretty, but then as soon as you piss it off, sting like a bee.
Logan, have you had any lasting advice for my followers, strangers on the internet who happen to just scroll through and see this video? Or maybe this is one of the short videos that we post to Facebook and it goes viral. What ultimately is the advice of Logan for the world?
We all are gonna make mistakes. It's just inevitable, we're human. The most important thing is when you do make a mistake or fail at something, don't let it bring you down. Look at it and make it strong. Have it make you stronger. You know, like, yeah. Just when you make a mistake, when you fail at something, don't be like, I'm done. I give up on the world. See it as a step that you're gonna climb over because it's gonna make you stronger and smarter and hungrier.
Sabi niya, kung nagkamali kayo, lahat tayo may mga kamalian. Pero gamitin mo ang mga kamalian mo bilang pampatibay, pampatas sa inyong ugali para magpatagumpay kayo.
Cool. Cool.
Alright guys, this is Kuya Kurt enjoying some Jollibee with Kuya Lolo for his first time.
Delicious.
He says it's delicious, but he